Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the theory of the chapter Water Around Us. Today, we are going to take up the question answers from the chapter. Now, A part, take the correct option. Number 1, the water cycle is the continuous movement of water. Next, the three states of water are, that is solid, liquid, gas. Then, what turns water on the earth into vapors in the water cycle? So that is the sun. When clouds get too heavy to hold water, the water falls on the earth. In coastal areas, warm ocean currents cause, the answer is rainfall. Now fill in the blanks. The largest natural source of water is rainfall. When the level of ocean water rises, it is high tide. Kolkata port in India is an example of tidal port. Tidal energy is a renewable source of energy. Then cold currents flow along the west coast of oceans. Now students, give a technical term for each of the following statement. The process in which water is converted to water vapors through heat of the sun, that is evaporation. The continuous circulation of water in the three spheres of the earth, that is water cycle. A movement in the ocean in which water particles move up and down, that is waves. It is the purest form of water, that is rainfall. Periodic rise and fall in the level of ocean water, that is tide. Now students, we have question answers. Question number 1. On what factor does the height of a wave depend? Students, come to page number 34, second last line. The height of waves depends on the speed of winds and the duration of wind blowing from a particular direction. Okay, up to here only. It is the answer of D1. Next question, define an ocean current. So students, come to page number 35. Ocean currents is the heading from here. The ocean current is the continuous movement of mass of water in a particular direction. Up to here only. Fine. How are tides caused? That is question number 3. So students, come to page number 36. So here from the second line, they को cut करके you will write tide, T capital. Tides are caused due to gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. बस इतना ही. Now students, name the important components of the water cycle. So students, the important components of water cycle, अब मैं लिखवाऊंगी आपको. लिखो number 1, that is water present on earth. Then second, heat of sun. And then temperature. These are the important components of water cycle. Now students, question number 5. Name 3 valuable resources which are found in abundance in the ocean. Students, come to page number 36. This is the heading, importance of ocean to men. 1 2 3 4 5th line पे आ जाओ. 5th line के हाफ से. नंबर 1 मिनरल ऑयल. आपने ऐसे करके लिखना है. नंबर 1 लाइन में मिनरल ऑयल. नंबर 2 नेक्स्ट लाइन में मैग्नीज नोड्यूल. नंबर 3 गोल्ड. और ये आपने लिखने हैं तो लिख दो, ठीक है. अदरवाइज 3 पूछे हैं हमसे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर टाइड्स यूजफुल टू अस? So students, how you are supposed to write the answer from here. This is page number 36. The heading is tides. 1 2 3 4. फोर्थ लास्ट में जो लाइन वहाँ H capital. High tides tide enables big ships to enter the harbor or sail out of the harbor. ओके, यहाँ तक फाइन. और उसके बाद यहाँ से tidal energy. Tidal energy is harnessed to generate electricity in the coastal areas. Tidal energy is one of the important renewable resources of energy. Up to here. बीच की ये लाइन आपने कोलकाता वाली नहीं लिखनी है. Okay students? Now next. How are oceans beneficial to us in improving the quality of life? So from here, page number 36, heading, importance of ocean to men. The ocean facilitate countries and regions to trade with one another. Goods can be moved in a very large quantity by ships and the transportation is cheaper than any other mode of transport. Fine. Then you will also write the marine environment provides animal and plant life for food and trade in abundance. यहाँ पे फिर बीच वाली लाइन को छोड़ दो. सम ऑफ द वैल्यूएबल मिनरल रिसोर्सेज आर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन ओशन फ्लोर. ये भी लिखनी है, ये वाली लाइन को छोड़ देना है बस. नेक्स्ट, explain the water cycle with the help of diagram. So students, come to page number 33. This is the diagram you are supposed to make. You can make an easy version of this diagram also. So from here it will start the answer. The sun is the main source of energy which causes water to evaporate. Hence water of the oceans converted. यहाँ से evaporation ये भी सारा आएगा इसमें. Then up to here water cycle. बहुत बड़ा सा पैराग्राफ बन जाएगा आपका, बट दिस इज द आंसर यू आर सपोज टू राइट. एक्सप्लेन 3 फैक्ट्स ऑफ ओशन करेंट्स. स्टूडेंट्स, पेज नंबर 35, लास्ट पैराग्राफ, फर्स्ट लाइन देखो. द ओशन करंट्स प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द कोस्टल रीजन्स ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. ये तो हो गया आपका पॉइंट नंबर 1, यहाँ से यहाँ तक फाइन. देन पॉइंट नंबर 2, ये देखो. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, पॉइंट नंबर 2, यहाँ से थर्ड लाइन, थर्ड लास्ट लाइन, यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्लुएंस के साथ आपने द ऐड करना है, बाकी का कुछ नहीं लिखना है. द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ वार्म एंड कोल्ड करंट्स प्रोवाइड आइडियल कंडीशंस फॉर प्लेंटीफुल ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लैंकटन विच इज़ फूड फॉर द मेराइन लाइफ. ये हो गए आपके 2 पॉइंट्स. ठीक है. देन लास्ट लाइन, द ओशन करंट्स ऑल्सो हेल्प इन नेविगेशन, दैट इज पॉइंट नंबर 3. So they have asked about the 3 points. Suggest 4 ways to help people affected by devastation due to tsunami. So students, here, okay, here this paragraph you are supposed to write in that. Fine, only this paragraph. So students, your chapter is completed with the exercise work. Question answer अब आपने क्या करना है, नोटबुक में करने हैं. These things you are supposed to do in your textbook only. Thank you students, have a nice day.